Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Lenovo laptop to TV wirelessly, quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your Lenovo laptop to a TV wirelessly, start by ensuring both devices are powered on. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input mode for wireless connections. On your Lenovo laptop, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Select the Settings option from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, click on Devices. Next, choose Bluetooth and other devices from the options on the left side. Bring up the Add Bluetooth or Other Device menu by clicking on the button at the top. Select Wireless Display or Dock from the list of options. Your laptop will start searching for available devices. Once you see your TV's name appear in the list, click on it to initiate the connection. Your TV might display a code or prompt to confirm the connection. Check the code to ensure it matches on both your laptop and TV, then confirm on your TV. After a few moments, your laptop screen should be mirrored on your TV. If you have issues connecting, check that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You may also want to restart both your laptop and TV if the devices do not detect each other. Once connected, you can adjust display settings by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Display Settings. Here, you can choose to extend or duplicate your display based on your preference. Enjoy streaming your content on the larger screen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.